Hey guys, welcome back again to our channel. This is Anshul Sharma and you are watching Geekified. And today in this video, I'm gonna be talking about the best Chrome extensions that you should try definitely in the year of 2024 before 2025 arrives. So without any further ado, let's first hit the intro and then let's start the video. So the Google Chrome browser has got thousands of extensions, which gives you lots of new features and adds various functionalities to your browser. So that is why let's talk about the best Chrome extensions that you should definitely try. Alright, on the first number we have the Ghostery Chrome extension. So as you guys know, there are lots of ad blockers Chrome extensions available in the Google Chrome store. But when it comes to the ad blocks, Ghostery is one of the best, as it blocks ads, trackers, and other privacy invading elements from third-party domains. And not just that, it also gives information about the tracker that it blocks so that you can also see what data is being collected and then make informed decisions about your privacy. Alright, on the second number we have the Dark Reader Chrome extension. So I'm a big fan of dark mode, and most of the websites though do have a dark mode, but there are still, even in 2024, many websites that still don't give you an option to enable the dark mode. But don't worry, because this Chrome extension fixes that. And as the name suggests, this Chrome extension transforms bright and white web pages into dark ones, which helps you in reading more effectively and also gives you less eye strain. And not just that, it also allows users to adjust brightness, grayscale, contrast, and also other settings according to your preferences. Alright, on the third number we have the Bitwarden Chrome extension, which is basically a password manager Chrome extension. But even though Chrome also comes with its own password manager, but Bitwarden has got some advanced features and better security. And with the help of this Chrome extension, you can easily access and add all of your passwords with ease. But keep in mind that even though this Chrome extension is free, but there is a paid version as well. But even with the free version, you can use it on unlimited devices on your account. Alright, the next one is for those people especially who are very unorganized. And even if they don't want to be unorganized but they cannot help themselves, then this Chrome extension is for you. And its name is Onetab. So we all have that one person in our friend list who always has 40 to 50 tabs open, even when he just needs one tab to browse anything. So if you know such person, then definitely recommend this Onetab Chrome extension, as it lets you reduce all of your open tabs into a clean list. And that too in just one click. And before your anxiety kicks in that all of your tabs are gone, don't worry, as you can easily restore them all at once or even one by one. So this Chrome extension helps you massively reduce all of your clutter on the browser. Alright, the next Chrome extension is for all those people who are travel buffs. So if you are a frequent traveler and you're constantly moving from one city to another, then Tripadvisor Chrome extension can be a great tool for you to manage all of your bookings while you are traveling from one city to another without any problem, as it allows you to browse through hotel and restaurants reviews with just a click of a button. And simultaneously, you'll also be able to keep track of the prices and latest deals. Alright, up next, the Chrome extension we have is definitely very helpful, especially in the digital age. So I'm sure that you've bookmarked a lot of sources and website articles, and there's heavy lists of URLs lying around somewhere in notes or in any other apps. And honestly, even though you've saved and bookmarked them, you never go back. And that is the problem that Pocket Chrome extension solves, as it's an easy and convenient way of storing articles, videos, or any other content that you come across that might be of use in future. So whenever you find any page of interest, Pocket will collect the source for you and save it for later use, ready to be accessed from any other device whenever you are ready. And all of that happens just by hitting a quick shortcut. And apart from this, you can also easily tag, curate, and search your content all at one place. Alright, the next Chrome extension we have is for all of those people who spend excessive time streaming and browsing on their laptop or desktop. But don't worry, because we're all guilty of a bit of procrastination, and that is where the Stayfocusd Chrome extension shines, as it is designed to keep us track on whatever the work we are doing by setting specific limits and restrictions on your browsing activities. Here you can create personalized blocks and time limits for websites to save your time and attention, because that is very important. And once the time limit has reached, Stayfocusd Chrome extension will prevent you from accessing those websites. So it can be a pretty effective tool to curb your procrastination. You can also schedule periods of the day where certain websites like Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media websites should be out of your radar and completely off limits. Alright, the last one is very amazing. Because after working on your laptop or desktop and even after browsing social media for hours and hours, your brain is tired and it needs some relaxation. Because if you're working your brain overtime, then you will get stressed and that is not good for you. And that's why we had to add a bit of the fun on this list, and that is why this Chrome extension is very game changing. And its name is Arcade Classics. So after you've worked a lot and you want some distraction, then instead of going on social medias, try this. Just install the Arcade Classics extension, and once installed, if you just click a mouse button, then it will unleash some of the most popular classic games in the history of mankind, which of course includes Tetris, Pac-Man, Space Invaders and many more. But keep also in mind that don't you overdo it, because you can get addicted very easily and it might also hamper your work. Having said that, these were the best Chrome extensions that I found in the year of 2024 that will definitely help you in your life and will make you more efficient and more productive in your work, especially in the day-to-day life that we spend in office or anywhere that you're doing work. And all of the Chrome extensions that I mentioned, the links will be down in the description, so you can check all of those Chrome extensions right from the links. And if you have any queries, do let us know in the comment section. If you have reached there, then definitely like this video, share it with your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, that is Geekified. With that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep enjoying your life and let me also enjoy my life.